pa rin yung third quarter.
Yes, at na-penalty yung dalawang kupunan. Itong si Andre Blatch, kailangan din kumilos ng maaga, lalong-lalo na para maka-atake. Siya ang dahilan kung bakit na-penalty na maaga ang Egypt.
Pero nung first half, he was settling for outside jumpers. Third quarter, umatake na sa loob. Mukhang nahuli na niya yung sukat ng ring dito.
Totoo yan.
5-point game?
Hindi.
Parang sa kanila nalagay yung score.
Oo. I believe 53-46 yung score nung matapos ang third.
Nakashoot tayo, -2. Sort this out as we go along.
Nice draw charge coming from Paul Lee. At matatawagan ng offensive foul itong si Wael Keder. Paul Lee doing a good job staying with that play all the way.
So yan po ang nasa ating talana. It's a 5-point lead para sa Gilas Pilipinas. Pinagkikwentuhan natin. Baka yung kay Gabe winave off. We're not really sure what's going on. What a pass mula kay Andre Blatch. Pingris delivers the 2 points.
Threading the needle. Highlight play so far of this contest. Pingris finishing off that nice wraparound pass coming from Andre Blatch. Once again, extreme ball pressure. Yung one-on-one defense natin matibay at napakasipag.
Mohamed Oxen a 3.
At yan ay pang-pito na 3-point basket na. Nakupunan ng Egypt. That will be 21 of the 49 points coming from the Rainbow Territory.
Baba sa 4, abante rito ng Gilas Pilipinas. We go to Paul Lee. Pingris pleading for that leather. He feels he's got the mismatch. Pingris looking to start to make his move. Ping, deep position, jump hook. Niluwalang ng ring. At tumatakbo na ito mga Egyptian. Pasa niya, dire-diretso sa paa ni Blatch. Not a kicking violation. Ni hindi nakatingin si Andre ito.
But still good sequence para sa ating kupunan because we break up a possible fast break opportunity para sa Egypt. Jeff Chan, who was instrumental in just pushing the Filipinos closer to Egypt earlier, and eventually were able to overtake the Pharaohs. At ngayon, meron pa rin tayong hawak na 2-possession advantage laban dito sa kupunan ng Egypt.
Egypt on the attack. Hinahanap nila yung butas. 6 na segundo na lang sa kanila shot clock. Alahoy na tira, hindi ubra. Pingris to Norwood. Nakita si Tenorio in the front court. Blatch puts up a 3. Matalas. Rebound para kay Kamal. $57-49 na ngayon na nasa ating dalan. Nakot na, no? Yung kaninang nalito tayo. Pero ngayon, naging 52 na Egypt because of that long shot.
And again, a 3-point conversion para sa Egypt, pang 8. Ito sa laban kontra sa Pilipinas, 24 na 52.
LA lets fly, make some pay.
At yan ang pang-5 conversion from the arc galing sa Team Pilipinas. Unang puntos ni LA Tenorio dito sa laban kontra sa Egypt.
Nakita niya, binitawan siya ng depensa, no? No respect para sa Teniente. Binaon niya yung tres niya. Oh, nice play coming from Egypt. Kamal delivering the goods, but the pass was issued once again by El Gamal.
Classic 2-man game. Good feed coming from El Gamal. Andre Blatch attacks quickly on the flip side. Oh, nice ball fake. Has found his groove, has found his rhythm. I believe itong si Andre Blatch is already in twin digits in scoring para sa Pilipinas after finishing with only a single point in the first half.
Outside jumper once again, tumatama na talaga para dito sa Egypt. Si Ked ka-deliver ng tres na yun.
At eto na, 27 puntos mula sa 3-point line kumpara sa 15 puntos naman para sa Pilipinas. That's a good ball fake coming from Teniente LA Tenorio.
Pero ito yung fancy move naman, ball fake. Reverse pivot mula kay Blatch to keep us ahead by 5. De Ocampo in the lane, feeding Blatch. Pushed from behind.
Wow.
Ay, hindi pa.
Empty possession para sa Team Pilipinas. Akala natin na pushing foul, ano? tumawag ng traveling.
Naipit si Andre sa pagkakataon na yon. Offensive foul whistled on Ked as he cleared out dun sa kick-out pass.
Yung mga ganyan na mga draw charge, dinidrill yan kasamang Mabu. You help the helper, you force a turnover, not just by taking the ball away, but forcing them to commit an offensive foul. That is a part of the defensive game plan na kakailanganan natin na madala sa pagbubukas ng FIBA World Cup in 6 days.
Tenorio wraps a pass to the wrong man.
Well read.
Basang-basa sa pagkakataon na yun. Eto na naman mga Egyptian.
Not in my house, sabi ni Ranidel. Alam ni Ranidel ang importansya ng 3-point play at hindi niya ibibigay yan.
Nakatayo lang, no? Partida.
Hindi naka-take off ang kalaban.
By the way, his name is RDO.
Oh, yes. Throw woes. Haunting itong kupunan ng Egypt. Itong dahilan kung bakit hindi sila nakadikit. Maski naghahabol sila sa Pilipinas bago matapos ang third.
Kept them within striking distance, pero kung tumama nga lahat, baka nakatabla o nakalamang pa.
Tama yan. It has been their 3-point shooting accuracy that has enabled them to stay close dito sa ating kupunan, dito sa bandang fourth quarter.
Ocampo couldn't send that one home. Last touch naman yung mga nakapula sa rebound play na yun. Jimmy Alapag back on the floor. Para dito kina Coach Jot. Tatanggap ng bola si Blanch. Even before he got to take off, meron ng foul na naipito dito kay Ibrahim. Should be his fourth. It is.
Andre Blanch is trying to take over as we have already crossed the halfway mark ng ating huling quarter. He's trying to force itong muna ng Egypt na map team penalty.
De Ocampo tracks down that rebound. Blanch puts it on the floor. Andre kicks it over to the corner. De Ocampo ngayon carving out some space. Ranidel delivering the 2 points.
Always smart, always creative. Another interior basket from RDO. 6 kalamangan ng Team Pilipinas. Malapit na tayong tumawid sa 5-minute mark ng ating huling quarter.
Papakitang gilas etong pride ng hulugan Tansa Cavite. Pang-asar yun, no? Rebound na lang, titik-tik mo pa sa ring ng kalaban. As Blanch runs into traffic, kick out pass papunta kay Chan. Bang!
Jeff Chan, hottest shooting hands for the Filipinos in today's contest. Jeff Chan, unang manlalaro in double digits. Jeff Chan meron ng 3 3-point baskets.
Inabot to sa ilalim, binigyan si Jeff Chan.
He'll take that.
Huling-huli naman ang ating officials, and that should be the disqualification foul para kay Ibrahim. Pang-5 na yan.
At ito yung pinaka-asentado mula sa tres ng Team Egypt. Oo, winasiwa si Jeff Chan. At,
full swing, Coach?
He will leave the game for good. Leading scorer ito, 17 points si Jeff Chan para sa Team Pilipinas. Si Ibrahim naman, merong kabuang 13 puntos kung hindi tayo nagkakamali.
Bumagal na siya in the second half. 8 na yan in the first half.
Oo, 15 turnovers for Egypt. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit nakuha natin ang kalamangan after we fell behind by as much as 7. Our intensity defensively, our one-on-one defense, at yung ating pag-draw charge has created a lot of turnovers para sa kanila.
One more time para kay Jeffrey Allen Chan. Foul whistled away from play. That should count.
That should count. That basket should count.
Foul will go against Gilas, against Junmar on the rebound play. Yung burahin niya, yung kalaban niya, pero ito, counted yan para kay Jeff Chan. 70-58, a dozen-point lead now para sa Gilas. Mahigit 4 na minuto na lang ang natitira.
That third quarter explosion really anchored on our toughness on defense, set the tone in this final half for Team Pilipinas.
Kamal on the move, sinalubong ng dalawa. Nakakita niya, ay! Mintis para dito kay Mohamed.
Look at that rejection by Gabe Norwood.
Less than 4 minutes now remaining in this game. Egypt on the attack, in dire need of a basket. Gilas looking for the stop. Outside jumper, Kamal. Uy, pabanda.
Okay. And that basket will cut a double-digit spread to only 9. Last-ditch effort here. Siguradong ipupush ng koponan ng Egypt. Tayo naman, pipilitin natin magandang close-out ng fourth quarter. 13 points para kay Kamal.
De Ocampo at the block. Looking to make his presence felt. Turnaround jumper. Diubra.
Oh, nice.
Junmar. Ayaw pa rin. Fajardo battling for that
Wow.
rebound. And Junmar secures the possession para sa Gilas.
6'11", ang bilis yumuko.
Junmar, makikipagbakbakan. Iiwan niya yun para kay Gabe. Norwood has 7 seconds to try and come up with a shot. Jeff Chan. Not that time around.
But still, we burned the 24-second shot at almost.
Nakatalo pa tayo.
Oo, at nabigay natin yan sa ating pinaka-shooter. Although hindi tumama, at least we got a good shot off.
Norwood picks up that personal foul, reaching in from behind.
Alam mo yung quality ng laro dito ni Jun Fajardo, napaka-importante niyan. Pagdating sa FIBA World Cup, kailangan mong ipahinga sa Andre Blatch. And we need quality minutes mula kay Junmar Fajardo. And hopefully this performance, his best so far, dito sa ating pre-tournament preparation, will be a confidence booster para dito kay Junmar.
Gabe Norwood has gotten himself disqualified via 5 fouls. Sikip naman ng pasa na yun. Basa ni Ping. Foul will go against Egypt. Etong si Kamal.
And again,
Hate them, Kamal. Yeah, we hate them.
it's all about taking one for the team. Mark Pingris fighting for that possession, and we will get possession under 3 minutes left. 9-point advantage para sa Pilipinas. We've lost our last 5 games dating back to the pocket tournament na ginanap sa France. Talo tayo sa France ng 7. Lumapa tayo sa koponan ng Australia by 22. At tatalo tayo sa Ukraine. And in the last 2 games also, yung kinover mong laro, Magu, at yung sa Angola, natalo rin tayo.
Because that was a loose ball foul at penalty ng Egypt. Pagkakataon ni Ping, ibalik sa double digits ang ating kalamangan.
The pride of Poso Rubio, Pangasinan.
Pabanda rin.
Sadya yun.
Eh, pinakita lang niya na nagpabanda ng 3 kanina. Kaya din namin yan.
Alam ni Ping yan. No, maliwanag. Pilipinas, Magilas. Pingris, Makinis.
Yan.
Sa Kuragi, taga Poso Rubio. Nag-rhyme ba?
Hindi na eh.
Hindi, sabi ng mami ni Ping, okay.
Pwede.
Tama yun.
Pwede. Pagka mula last year, di pa nagpapahinga, nanalo na ng silver medal sa FIBA Asia at naka-4 na championship sa FIBA. Kahit ano pwede.
Pwede yun.
Egypt on the attack. Lee gets it over to Alapag. And Jimmy wisely will waste away the time.
Time score, game situation, always so vital na nasa radar ng mga point guards.
Jimmy though has that ball slip away from his hands. Opening a window here para sa Egypt as we come up on the 2-minute warning of the penultimate game ng inyong Gilas versus the world. Foul whistled on Jean-Marc Pingris.
Pingris rotating to the roller. Pingris will be called for a holding foul. Yung sinasabi ni Mark Pingris, may kita mo, if you can lead, talk to me. Kasi si Blatch is supposed to recover down low, tapos alabas ulit si Pingris dun sa kanyang original coverage.
Egypt starting to run out of time here. Big sidestep. Di pa rin traveling. Kanina ko pa inaantay eh.
Akala ko walang continuity, pero ang 3-point play ang masusungkit dito ng Egypt. Ito yung last-ditch effort na matatawag mula dito sa koponan ng Egypt. We are also over the limit. That will be the 3rd personal foul of Andre Blatch. Blatch has really played much better compared to the 1-point performance in the first half. But Jeff Chan, who has been the hottest man on the floor for Coach Chok Reyes, leads the way in scoring for Team Pilipinas with a total of 17 points.
Shusha completes that 3-point play. Baba sa 8 abante ng Gilas. Just over a minute and a half remaining in this game. Lee on the moves. Almost lost his footing. Ayun na nga, na-traveling na.
They were looking for dribble handoffs, some breakdowns. Rather, our initial looks to break down the defenders. Pero Paul Lee, nawalan ng balanse rito laban kay Ibrahim El Gamal. At sabi mo nga, a little window of opportunity nagbukas para dito sa Egypt. Holding foul matatawag dito kay Paul Lee.
So 2 shots to para dito sa Egypt. And these are the situations. Yung bigla na lang numinipis ang tawagan. These are the situations that we just have to roll with.
Yes.
We have to roll with these punches and just live with it.
Kasi yan naman ang mga points of attack na ma-anticipate mo eh. Handoffs, ball screen. Kasi yung post-attack, kayang bantayan yan ni Blatch. Kayang depensa nila Pingris. Pero yung sa mga labas, to identify the shooters, how do they get open. Oh, nice.
Tenorio takes away that rebound, pero Shusha gets it right back. Egypt goes to the long ball. Mindes, Paul Lee takes it away.
That's a big stop para sa Pilipinas. Only 72 seconds left as we are looking to finally stop the 5-game losing skid and build our confidence heading into the last 6 days prior to the first game sa FIBA World Cup kontra sa Croatia.
Blatch kontra Kamal. Pull-up jumper. Andre delivers.
Insurance basket coming from Andre Blatch from the right flank.
Still just a 3-possession lead though para sa Gilas. We need a stop. Ito na naman. Atake sila from the outside, inside. Kamal. Offensive foul whistled on Egypt.
And that has been the story of this contest para sa Team Pilipinas. Our ability to make the defensive stops. One-on-one defense, precise rotations, and this, giving up the body, taking one for the team. Ilan na yan? Pang-4 o pang-5 draw charge nakuha ng Team Pilipinas. Sabihin natin, bagay na kakailanganin natin. Kung sakasakaling makakadikit tayo at mapapahirapan natin ang mga world-class players pagdating po sa FIBA World Cup.
LA Tenorio wasting away the time. 35 seconds na titira before we snap this skid. Lee on the move, cycles it back out to Blatch. 9 na segundo pa naman natitira para sa Gilas. Blatch wanting to attack Kamal once again. Not that time around. Egypt, though, out of time here. It's going to be a huge morale boosting win para sa Gilas.
It's going to be a big shot in the arm for our confidence back. And we will wrap up this game laban sa Egypt. Okay lang, okay lang. Importante panalo. At napasaya ng ating national players ang ating mga kababayan dito sa Guadalajara.
Nang mawali pa si Teniente sa pagkakataon na yun.
Ganun talaga. Ang importante, panalo tayo. At this will be supposedly something that augurs well for Smart Gilas Pilipinas as we head to the FIBA World Cup in 6 days.
So we beat a team who supposedly